Are you searching for a tool to save the EPUB files into other file formats like images or documents? The options you find online are huge in numbers. It can leave you frustrated and confused as to which option to choose. Now, look no further as we bring you an efficient solution with Sysinfo EPUB Converter tool. The software is the best and most reliable to convert EPUB files to several document and image formats. Using this tool, you can convert EPUB files into PDF, DOC, DocX, XPS, JPEG, BMP, GIF, PNG, etc., with 100% data accuracy. Now, let's check out the main features of the software. The tool helps to convert EPUB files into other formats like PDF, DOC, DocX, XPS, JPEG, BMP, GIF, PNG, etc. It can convert single and multiple EPUB files into the desired saving format. There is no such limitation for the size of the EPUB files. The software runs on all the versions of Windows like 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, etc. You can also set a password on the new resultant files. Now, let us check the prerequisites before installing the software. If you are using any Windows version like Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, then please run the software as Run as Administrator. Working of the EPUB Converter. Go to the browser and enter the name of the software as an example like Sysinfo EPUB Converter Tool. And press Enter. In the opening window, click on the page URL to open it. Analyze the page and click on the Download Now button to work freely with the demo version. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working steps. The software opens with a simple, yet user-friendly interface. Now, start working by clicking on the Add Files or Add Folder button. And select the desired EPUB files from your system. After adding the EPUB files to the software, you can view them too. Click on the Next button to proceed further. Select the saving format as PDF, DOC, DocX, PNG, or others from the drop-down list. Here, we choose PDF format. Assign a log file path by clicking on the Log button. You can also assign a directory path for the temp file. Click on the Destination Path button to select the saving path for the output folder. Check the Custom Folder Name option and assign the name of the resultant folder. Here, you can also set the password on the output PDF file. Apply password on the specific file. Or, you can also mark the same password on all file options. Click on the Start Conversion button to convert the EPUB files into PDF format.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.